You go to an event, you have an amazing conversation with someone, you swap contact details, you both promise to stay in touch. You also connect on LinkedIn. Maybe you exchange a quick message too. And then nothing. A complete full stop. That awesome connection dies out. You are left wondering what went wrong. You have a pile of business cards on your desk. Your LinkedIn has thousands of connections. But when you need advice, you need a referral, you freeze. You scroll through all these names. Then it hits you, you don't really know these people. This is where the illusion kicks in. One of my colleagues used to say, there are people who work and there are people who network. It is the idea that if you just work hard, opportunities will find you, and that networking is what people do when they are not working. But this view confuses slimy, self serving networking with genuine connection. The old model of networking is broken. It is transactional, it is shallow, and let's be honest, it is exhausting. It is all about what I can get. That is why those great conversations die. That approach kills any chance of a real connection. But what if we could flip the script? What if we shifted from networking to connecting? This is about focusing on what you can give, your value. It is about building relationships on trust, respect, and shared values. Today, I'm going to break down the strategy to streamline your online and offline walls together. You can turn short-lived relation into powerful, lasting bonds. This is not just about getting more from your network. It is about building a professional community, a community that will make your career and your life richer. Now, I will take you through the 4 steps of networking. Step 1, the mindset shift from transactional to relational. Before the how, we need the why. The biggest mistake is a transactional mindset. This is why networking gets such a bad reputation and feels slimy to so many people. It is the exact behavior that fuels the idea that networkers do not do the real work. We go to an event needing a lead, or we hope to find someone who can hire us. The whole interaction is built around our own agenda. Authentic connection is the opposite. It is about genuine relationships. It focuses on mutual support. It is not about what you can get right now. Think of it like this: transactional networking is a vending machine. You put in a coin, you expect a product to pop out. It is impersonal, it is one sided. Relational connecting is like planting a garden. It takes time, it needs commitment and steady effort. You have to nurture it, you have to give it attention. There is no promise of an immediate harvest, but over time, it grows into something of real lasting value. The foundation for this is authenticity. Show up as you are. Be genuinely curious about other people. Listen more than you talk. People are drawn to sincerity. This is a core idea in classic books like Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. When you truly want to learn someone's story, you create a different vibe. You are no longer just a contact. You are a person they remember and trust. Trust is the foundation of every meaningful relationship. So, the first step is in your head. Let go of the pressure to get something. Instead, enter each conversation with a new goal. Aim to learn one interesting thing about the person you are talking to. The simple shift from what can I get to what can I learn is the most important step. It moves you from networking to connecting. Step 2, the integrated follow up, streamlining online and offline worlds. This is where the strategy comes to life. That amazing conversation cannot just hang in the air. The key is to build momentum. You must string together your physical and virtual interactions. The golden rule: follow up within 24 to 48 hours. This is not negotiable. The energy from your meeting is still fresh. If you wait longer, the details of your chat will fade. But how you follow up is what matters. It separates true connectors from networkers. Your follow up, your follow-up is the bridge. It connects your offline meeting to your new online relationship. Here is a 3-step process. First, send a personalized LinkedIn connection request. Please do not just hit the generic connect button. Use the add a note feature. Write a short, personal message. Reference your conversation. For example, "Hi John, it was great to meet you at the marketing summit yesterday. I really enjoyed our chat about AI in content creation. Would love to stay connected." This reminds them who you are. It proves you are listening. Second, send a more detailed email. Almost everyone skips this step. Email feels more direct and personal. This is your chance to expand the conversation. Most importantly, offer a value. Give before you ask. Did you talk about a book? Send a link to a review. Did they mention a challenge? Share a helpful article. For example, "Hi John, following up on your following up on our great conversation. I remembered this Harvard Business Review article on AI driven personalization. I thought you might find it interesting. I hope it is helpful. It was a pleasure connecting." Third, create an opening for the future. If the vibe is right, suggest a next step. It could be a low pressure virtual coffee or a quick call to keep the conversation going. This transforms the relationship from a static contact into an active conversation. For more on this, courses on LinkedIn, learning like Doris Clark's professional networking can provide great frameworks. If this is helpful, please hit that like button. It tells me I'm on the right track. If you want more tips for building a career you love, subscribe. You will not miss what's next. Step 3, the art of personalization and giving a value. We have touched on this, but it is critical. Generic messages get ignored. Personalization gets a response. Authenticity should be at the heart of your conversations. The core principle is to always lead with value. This is the main idea in Adam Grant's book, Give and Take. He explains that the most successful people are often givers. Approach every relationship by thinking about how you can help. This does not mean huge gestures. Small, thoughtful actions build lasting connections. What can you offer? It could be your expertise. It could be an introduction. It could be useful information. This means you must be an active listener. Do not just wait for your turn to speak. Listen for passions, projects, and problems. These are the hooks for your follow up. For instance, if someone mentions they are trying to learn new software, send them a link to a great video tutorial. If they are excited about a project, send a note a few weeks later asking how it is going. These small acts of generosity build goodwill and trust. The give first mentality extends to your online presence. Use LinkedIn as more than a resume. Use it as a place to contribute. Share insightful articles. Leave thoughtful comments on posts. Celebrate their wins. When you consistently show up as helpful, you become a magnet. People will want to connect with you. You have built a reputation for adding a value. This is the opposite of the needy message. A note like, "Can you find me a job?" from a stranger rarely works. It screams need, not a value. But when you have built a real relationship, asking for help feels natural. Step 4: diversify your environments. If you only network at industry conferences, you are fishing in a crowded pond. Real connections often spark in relaxed settings. The goal is to engage in different environments. This leads to different kind of conversations. Think beyond the conference hall. Look for small workshops or find roundtable discussions for deeper engagement. Consider volunteering for a cause related to your industry. Working alongside someone toward a shared goal builds strong bonds quickly. Do not underestimate informal meetups, hobby groups, sports leagues, or a local trivia night can be a great. For example, join a book club or a local hiking group. When you connect over a personal interest, the relationship is more than just job titles. These interactions feel more natural. Online environments are just as diverse. Do not just stick to LinkedIn. Join niche Slack communities or virtual groups. For instance, if you are in tech, participate in forums on sites like Stack Overflow. These specialized communities let you showcase your expertise. You connect with people who share your passions. To learn more about navigating these different spaces, you can check out online courses on platforms like Coursera or FutureLearn that focus on building conversational professional networks. The key is a portfolio of connection points. By engaging with people in various settings, you build a richer professional circle. Some connections will be professional, Others might start with a hobby. Some could even become mentorship. It to conclusion, the journey from contact collector to genuine connector is a conscious shift. It is not a substitute for hard work. It is what amplifies it. It ensures your skills and contributions are seen and valued within a community you trust. First, stop thinking about numbers. Embrace a relational mindset. As Keith Ferraggi suggests in Never Eat Alone, the goal is to build genuine relationships, not just exchange business cards. Second, master the integrated follow up. Weave online and offline interactions together. Use personalized, value added messages on LinkedIn and email within 24-48 hours. Third, make personalization and generosity your default. Listen with intent. Offer help without expecting anything in return. Build a reputation as a contributor. And finally, diversify your playing field. Get out of the usual spots. Engage with people in a variety of settings. Build more authentic, well rounded relationships. Building a powerful circle is the sum of consistent, authentic actions. It is about planting seeds and nurturing them. When you stop networking and start connecting, you do not just build a contact list, you build a community, you build a career safety net, and you build relationships that are professionally valuable and personally fulfilling. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your single biggest challenge in building professional relationships? Is it the follow up? Is it finding the right places? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Your experiences help all of us learn together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.